Always disconnect the tool from the mains before clamping the disc. Never use the angle grinder without a protective guard. A 125mm disc rotates at a peripheral speed of approximately 80 meters per second, which is equivalent to 288 kilometers per hour, and therefore poses a significant risk of injury on contact. Cutting discs must always be used with the protective guard in place. Do not clamp the workpiece with too much overhang, otherwise vibrations will occur which can damage the cut and the cutting disc. A hand's width is sufficient. Do not use the angle grinder without gloves, and do not operate it with just one hand. A handle is quick to fit and gives you more control over the machine and the cut. Use personal protective equipment, such as ear protection and safety goggles. Do not hold the tool rigidly and do not apply too much pressure. It is easier and gentler to use oscillating movements. Do not put the tool down whilst it is still running and the disc is still rotating. The disc should always be facing upwards.
Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.